up, guys? It's Lutsky over at Core Off-Road. Just wanted to do a video on Revkit JL that we just finished building for them. Came in with their, Rubicon 44s, some 39-inch BFGs, the moto-built armor we put on at the previous shop, rock crawler long arm, Falcon shocks, and was pretty beat up because obviously they use this. So what they did is they brought it to us over at Core Off-Road, and we did some upgrades to it. So first one, visibly speaking, is some 42-inch BFG sticky tires, some Raceline 20-inch beadlocks, swapped out their coils to a taller lift. So now he's actually running right around 5 inches of actual height as opposed to the 4.5 before. Still rock crawler progressive, still kept the same Falcon shocks. And I'll tell you why we did them. It's because we put on some Fusion 10-inch dropout fabricated axles. So 1.75 inch Fusion steering, all aluminum for their PSC hydro assist. 40 spline, 10-inch dropout, high pinion in the front, Tom Woods drive shaft in the front, 1350, Tom Woods 1350 in the rear, low pinion dropout, again 10-inch. For the rock crawler 3-link, so it has the truss, welded on the coil perches, the bump stop perches, all of that. Did some Fox hydraulic bump stops, front and rear. And for their lockers, so originally this JL came with the electronic lockers. That means you have your switch panel inside. Cool thing about what we did is we used adapters and such to mount air lockers. That all still works with the factory buttons. You don't have to waste your auxiliaries to turn things on. And for their lockers, it's behind the seat here. It's actually powered to, I'm sure this is not showing it, I just can't see. He's got their power tank in the back here, and then in the corner, you can kind of see they have 2 little canisters. That actually runs their air lockers. And then same concept, turn it off, it'll turn off. But yeah, guys, so we got this guy fabricated Fusion 10-inch dropout axles because, why not? 42-inch stickies, Raceline beadlocks, kept the long arm, all aluminum steering, new drive shafts. Lots of trimming was required, and came out super dope. Alright, guys, if you have any questions or anything, comment them down below. I'll do my best to give you an answer. Otherwise, we'll see you next video.